Welcome to our guide on searching for a specific phrase on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Start by visiting the Twitter homepage and locating the search bar at the top of the page. Enter your desired keyword or phrase into the search bar and hit Enter. Upon reaching the primary results page displaying popular tweets, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Click on Show next to the Search Filters menu. Then select the Advanced Search option that becomes visible. Within the Advanced Search section, locate the word segment. Here, you can utilize the This Exact Phrase bar to input the specific phrase you want to search for. After entering your desired phrase, be sure to click the button located at the bottom of the page. This action will apply the search filters and refine your results to display tweets containing the exact phrase you specified. By following these simple steps, you can optimize your Twitter search experience on PC by narrowing down your results to focus on a specific phrase. Enhance your search capabilities and uncover relevant content efficiently by utilizing this method to search for precise phrases on Twitter.